Your 3% salary raise is not progress, it's control. It's because no matter how hard you work, your income always moves in the same slow range. But outside your paycheck, something else is moving much faster. And if you don't understand this difference, you will always feel behind. Right now, two systems are moving at different speeds. Your salary changes once a year, but assets, stocks, property, businesses move every single day. So even if you're improving, you're still competing against something you can't see. A 3% raise feels fair, but only if everything else stays still. The problem is, nothing stays still. Rent rises, prices rise, assets rise faster. So your raise doesn't move you forward, it just keeps you in place. Wealth doesn't grow where effort is highest, it grows where ownership exists. When a company grows, employees earn a fixed income, but owners earn expanding returns. Same system, different positions. Your income is controlled through structure. It's reviewed, limited, and predictable. But markets are not. They move every second. That difference creates the gap most people never understand, even when everything looks normal. Now, stretch this over the years. A 3% income increase versus 8, 10, or 12% asset growth. At first, it looked small, then it widens, then it accelerates, until the gap becomes permanent, not temporary. Permanent. Most people think income depends on effort, but effort is not the limiting factor. Structure is. You can work harder, more, better, and still remain inside the same system boundary. This is why two people with equal effort end up in completely different financial worlds. One earns income. The other owns income-producing assets. Same time, different outcome. So the real question is not, how hard am I working? The real question is, what is my income connected to? Because in this system, effort is common, but position decides everything. It was never about working more. It was about standing in the right part of the system. Subscribe for more knowledge.